Today we are going to learn how to create a symbol in NX and how to add to it reuse library to use again and again. So for that, first we have to create the symbol which we have to add to library. Now I am taking example of dowel symbol. This is the dowel symbol, and create dowel symbol by using sketch. Take the dimension which you want and divide this circle in 4. Sketch, remove this dimension, fill the area by using area fill. Click on the circle, click on the area which you have to fill, apply, again click on the circle. This is the dowel symbol. Now we have to add this symbol to library. For that, go to menu, click, go to tools. Here you can find the reuse library. In reuse library management, click on this. Now you have to add this symbol in custom symbol library. Click on it and add library. Click on this. You will be directed to where you have to save. You have to create one folder where you have to save. Now I have created in my desktop. See here, dowel symbol. I want to save the all symbols which I am going to create in this folder. Double click on this, then create. OK. See, now you are finding the one folder here, dowel symbol. Then OK. Here you can find this in custom symbol. See, dowel symbol. Right click on this, then create new folder. Again create. This is the dia6 symbol, so I am giving the name like d6. Now I have to define this symbol here. Define custom symbol. Here you can change the name also. Again I am giving d6. Symbol content. Select this symbol and specify point. When your circle means you have to allot it by center point. Take the center point of this. Then you can create the picture of this symbol also to identify. So your result, define reason, select this and adjust it accordingly.